but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. This whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Oh no, because you live up on the hilltop, you claim yourself as a aristocrat, and all the lump sum you achieve is from the place you call the slum. Ooh yeah, this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Corrupt down there, leaving society to think they're fair to blame, not knowing that you're the one who started the dirty game. Ooh yeah, this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Oh yeah, this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Oh no, you never ever seems to face the fact, you're always having us on the wrong track. Oh man, why you doing that? Oh yeah, oh. So this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Oh, this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. Ooh yeah, not because you live up on the hilltop. Oh, you claim yourself as a aristocrat, and all your lump sum you achieve is from the place you call the slum. Ooh, oh, this whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see, they really don't know. You are the boss and the chief of staff, you always have enough in the last. Whenever you want us to be fed or hungry, just let it be. This whole wide world is one big ghetto, but some of them wanna see,
and where it's from. Can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, we got challenge and battle to be won. So mark my words and don't get me wrong. I'm here for a while and not too long. And right here now I'm coming on strong. Can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, we're selected, collected and related. We're the children of His Majesty, who shine His light for all the world to see, with the power of the Trinity. Can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, bang diddly wo, current it a flow. Bang diddly wo, on the go. Can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, we've got challenge and battle to be won. So mark my words and don't get me wrong. I'm here for a while, then not too long. But right here now I'm coming on strong. You feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, can you feel it? The wind that takes it all. Ooh, we're selected, collected, and
just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. I call on Him and He saved me from all my trouble. I call on Him and He saved me from all my sins and sorrows. You better believe it now. Call on a friend, just call on a friend, Jaja. Call on a friend. shoes to wear on their feet. What next to do? What more can we say? Call on Jah, He will show you the way. What a friend can do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Call on a friend, just call on a friend. Jah, Jah. Call on a friend, just call on a friend. Jah, Jah. Call on a friend, just call on a friend. Jah, Jah. Call on me, my brothers. Call on Jah. Jah, Jah is your friend. I call on Him and He saved me from all my troubles. Baby, when your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Oh yeah. And baby, my heart will still follow hard at 23. Oh yeah. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of the hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of a thousand stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Thinking out loud, baby, we found love right where we are. When my years are gone and my memories fade, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul would never grow old, it's evergreen. Oh yeah. Baby, your smile forever in my mind, and memories never be erased. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of the plan. Well, I just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. Baby, now take me into your loving arms.
And what she said to me? Boy, hey. She say I may not be the greatest baller, but she love me more than Pele and Diego Maradona. I'm not even a guitar specialist, but she love me more than Carlos Santana. Hey. She says she never would have left me side, even if me dip on the borderline. Oh, I know if not, but not maybe. She wanna be my first lady. It's my lucky day. Me glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. I know if not, but not maybe. It's my lucky day. What a lucky day. Glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. God knows. Hey, oh.
Me ask her where she come from, she start give me the saga. She say right away small and right at the border. Me ask her what her name and she tell me say Alta. Me ask about her parents and she say them a farmer. Them plant polypa yam acres of banana. She can't talk loud about the marijuana. She want carry me a country, make me pick 2 guava and show me how to plant the cassava. It's my lucky day. Me glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. I know if not, but not maybe. It's my lucky day. What a lucky day. Glad me find a girl will check for me. It's my lucky day. God knows. Hey, boy. Lord boy, what a lucky day. Lucky, lucky. What a lucky day. God knows, hey, I'm so lucky, yeah, to find this baby, this precious lady. Lord boy, no, she's not a trickster, no, hey. She say I may not be the greatest baller, but she love me more than Pele and Diego Maradona. Hey, I'm not even a guitar specialist, but she love me more than Carlos Santana. Hey, she say she never would have left me side, even if me dip on the borderline. Boy, I know if not, but not maybe. She wanna be my first lady. It's my lucky day. Me glad me find a girl to check for me. It's my lucky day. I know if not, but not maybe. It's my lucky day. But a lucky day.
Always, she feeling something and thinking about it always. So much emotion, she bubbling over always. She feeling something and thinking about it always. So much emotion, she bubbling over always. She prepare a special place. You know me da, senorita. Love spices, and me and the love flavor. Something to stay in her mind, something for she to savor. They're dreaming when she has stare by me picture. We look good out there, damn. Jump in my ride, go on the mall, go take a walk. Me girl, I will lamp on me and good out there, damn. It takes 2 to tangle and 2 to build a foundation. Always, she got me feeling something and thinking about it always. So much emotions bubbling over always. She got me feeling something and thinking about it always. So much emotions bubbling over always. Prepare a special place. Oh, my baby mama, you are my lifeline. You got my heart in your hands. So take your time, yo. Who is them to say I can't be with you? We love you from me spot you for the first time, yo. Love at first sight, that means I love no blind. Me love you from me spot you with me 2 eyes, yo. Love swept her up from off her feed them. She feel the fire and the flames and they eat them. If I you to want me give you that will eat then. No more running around. She loving me always. She feeling something and thinking about it always. So much emotions bubbling over always. She feeling something. I just enjoy myself.
Not because I'm a big man, I'm not afraid to let you know. Girl, I'm sorry. Girl, I'm sorry. Oh, not because I'm a big man, I'm not afraid to let you know. Don't go, baby, you're driving me crazy.
When we were so much in love, and we were happy, baby, oh yes. When we were so much in love, and we were happy, baby, oh yeah, oh yeah. 2 wrongs don't make it right. Why should we fight?
the moment tell her what one. Slow down, I've been moving too fast. Me mess around, play around, no look what it cost. My good relationship, when we think we don't go last, that is something of the past. Done with it, I'm in no playing. And go quit all the football training. Because me and that woman is living. I know my life now no meaning. Not because I'm a big man, I'm not afraid to let you know. Girl, I'm sorry. Girl, I'm sorry. Not because I'm a big man, I'm not afraid to let you know. Don't go, baby, you're driving me crazy.
When we were so much in love, and we were happy, baby. Oh yes, when we were so much in love, and we were happy, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Two wrongs don't make it right. Why should we fuss and fight? No, baby. No, baby. Can't stand the lonely nights. Wanna be in paradise with my baby. Oh, yeah, yeah. Last night was the worst night, beginning of the end. Maybe it began beforehand. Here we go again. Things got so dramatic. Things got out of hand. We see the words we couldn't imagine. I don't understand. Oh, there you go with the same old thing. When things go wrong, you always seem to blame me. When now I'd like to find what secrets hide in your mind. Where the end will go, will I ever know? Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Make this night the best night. Time for second chance. Turn the beat up on repeat and we could start to dance. Sometimes when we're talking, words get drowned by the sound. Let's get back to touching, baby. Back on solid ground. Oh, let's hold hands like the young romance. Let's first kiss like moments when we first met. Can we make love like way back in the day, love? We could lose control, baby, don't say no. Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Heaven only knows. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
To the rinse of giving my love to win some. She rip and run off and gone with John. So now you have it, don't lose it. You must be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, don't bite the hands that feed you. Don't try to kill the goose who lay the golden egg. Girl, if you do it, it's got to be dread. You must be crazy. You think you could have walked out on me, baby? Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, wanty, whoa, can't get it, no way. Wanty, whoa, can't get it, no. You got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me. Whoa, whoa. You never miss the water till the well run dry. And all that you're doing, you're gonna cry. Oh baby, baby, tell me why. You must be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, whoa, you got to be crazy if you try
loving and all my money, and yet you want to leave me. I take care of your welfare, so you won't have to live in fear. You must be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Ooh yeah, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me. Ooh yeah, wanty, oh, can't get it. Wanty, oh, can't get it. After I took the risks of giving my love to win some, she rip and run off and I'm rich and whoa yeah. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you say you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you say you want for use. Once you say I'm your one and only, tomorrow night me say you did Mikey. You gone with Paul, so you're having a ball, but soon after shaking, girl, you gonna fall. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you say you want for use. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you say you want for use. All around town, all over the place, every man have a picture of your face. Hey little girl, can you realize this is a doggone disgrace? You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet, you see you want for use. All what you I do, soon bad dog I go bite you. And if you don't stop, follow you, girl, you gonna meet up on the Waterloo. You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Oh, so handsome, why must you have me so lonesome? Hey, Winsome, girl, why you have me so lonesome? You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. All around town, all over the place, every man have a picture of your face. Hey little girl, can you realize this is a doggone disgrace? You're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Girl, you're too bad, girl, you're too rude. Every man that's sweet to see you want for use. Oh yeah, oh. Once you say I'm your one and only, tomorrow night you say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Just take a closer look into my eyes. You've got me going and got me hypnotized. Every time you go, you take a part of me. Just say you love me and only let it be true love. Always find a way in the darkest night. Yes, it always and always find true love. Always find a way through the darkest road. Yes, it always and always find true love. Every time, the girl, you look into my eyes, you got me moving. Yes, it feels so nice. And the way you do, the way you look at me, do it, hey baby, 'cause your love it let me see it's love. Always find a way in the darkest night, and it always and always find true love. Always find a way through the darkest road. Yes, it always and always find true love. You took the day, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah.
should ask you who's my true love. Tell them my love true. It's ever letting all the love come true. Let my love shine throughout the world. Woo-woo, to every mountain top and steeple. Yeah, let it be felt by every soul. In love all over. The two of you, you can't say that you are my love too. Let my love shine throughout the world. Woo-woo, to every mountain top and steeple. Hey, let it be felt by every soul. In love all over.
Spend it with you.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
If I wake up in World War III, yeah.
If I wake up,
I see destruction and poverty. Oh my. And I feel like I wanna go home. It's okay. You're coming with me.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright. Live up, it's okay.
If I lose my fame and fortune,
There's no way that can change me.
and I'm homeless on the street, and I'm sleeping in Grand Central Station, it's okay. You're sleeping with me.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
As the years they pass us by, years pass us by, we stay young to each other's eyes. Oh my. And no matter all we get, it's okay. As long as I got you, baby.
Live up, it's okay. Live up, it's alright.
Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. Your love is my love, and my love is your love. It will take an eternity to break us. It will take all the stars just to hold us. If I should die this very day, I can read your mind, and I know your story. I can see for the simple answer. I don't know what to say. No, but it's plain to see. If you stick together, you're gonna find a way. So don't surrender. You can win in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart's left in doubt, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Oh yeah. When life is empty with no.
The very first time I saw you, girl, you look so fine. I had that feeling that one day you'd be mine. Now I've got you in my arms, girl, and I'll never let you go. I'll do anything to prove, girl, just so you know, for your love, girl, you know that I'll go anywhere. Oh, baby, just to show you how much your love, girl, you know that I'll go anywhere. Just to show you how much I care. Just call me, girl, and I will be there to love you, baby. To love you, baby. I'll send you kisses and roses every night and day. Shower you with the finest and make sure you're okay. I'll take you out in fine style so your other friends could see. I don't need nobody else, girl. It's about you and me. For your love, girl, you know that I'll go anywhere. Oh, baby, just to show you how much your love. Don't you know that I'll go anywhere? Just to show you how much I care. Just call my name and I will be there to give you enough loving. Oh, love, yeah, yeah. The very first time I saw you, girl, you look so fine. Hey, that a feeling that one day you'll be mine. Now I've got you in my arms.
Now that you got my love, what you gonna do with me? Now that you got every little part of me, are you gonna love me? Knew you were a heartbreaker when we met. What else could I do but play hard to get? You wouldn't take no for an answer, kept on trying. You got the prize, boy. What you gonna do now? 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 What you gonna do? out roaming the town. Tell me something new, boy, something I can believe. I know all the games you play, my baby. This time be real, tell me what you gonna do. What you think I'm mine?
I go read out we rights. Brutality is a crime. We are go read out we rights. Speak everything on our mind. We are go read out we rights. Murder, slavery is a crime. We are go read out we rights. And the wrong people are do the time. We never come here for no Pinto, the Nina, the Santa Maria. Instead we come here pack up like sardine, dine from hunger, the fever, malaria. So we are go read out we rights. Brutality, that is a crime. We are go read out we rights. Them a piece of we mind. We are go read out we rights. Slavery is a crime. Read out we rights. And the wrong people do the time.
Well anyway, if it goes up, we have to say so. Them one hold up and we equal rights, them better let go. Let them in a sorrow from today till tomorrow. All over the world in the
lucky thing we serve the Father. No one could ever live in that thing, he was still survive with them a kind of pressure. Freedom, freedom.
We are go read out we rights. Discrimination is a crime. We are go read out we rights. Oppression is not kind. We are go read out we rights. Murder, that name crime. We are go read out we rights. And the wrong people do the time. Whoa, whoa, take us for a fool, promising won't the end of you. But if you really wanna give justice, step aside and let we go through. We are go read out we rights. Mankind, you better be strong. We are go read out we rights. Oppression on the land. We are go read out we rights. Murder, I got that crime. We are go read out we rights. And the wrong people are do the time.
listen my style, all is done. Them a pull, all the card, them a draw. You know me now bow to them hidden law. Things they want do, them a chat but we can't. But through the powers of the Father we get where we want.
We are go read out we rights. Brutality is a crime. We are go read out we rights. Speak everything on our mind. We are go read out we rights. And that
Everything you have in mind, I will give. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. For all the diamonds and the money and pearl, I hope your reggae music keep playing around the world. No matter what the price, of the music is nice. Oh, your little sister and rub it in the eye. Whoa, whoa, breathe in. I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh, I hope it take the mind and the soul in control. And most of all, it should never grow old. It's the only music that rocks them soul. And most of all, to make the good time roll. Greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh, greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Ooh, something really, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Badigi digi dum dang zuguzing. Badigi dugi dugi dum dang. For some people say you should forget the problem you want to face in life. But let me tell you, my brethren, from your own mistake you learn so it won't be twice. Overstand, do the right and not the wrong. Or else if you don't, you shall go down, down in destruction. And then you sing too late, gonna be your cry. Whoa, too late, yes, too late. Don't ask me why. Live and learn, my brethren. Oh yes. Live and learn, my sister. Oh, the things you do today, yeah, tomorrow it's gonna tell on you. By doing your action without caution, never thinking prevention. Yes, it's better than cure. Now your mental disturb and board walk alone. Too late, gonna be your cry. Whoa, too late, yes, too late. Don't ask me why. Too much bragging, too much boasting, too much posing, and nothing gaining. Why must we go on living like this? Live and learn, my brethren, oh yeah. Live and learn, my sister, oh. Too late, gonna be your cry. Whoa, too late, yes, too late. Don't ask me why. Whoa. What's wrong? For some people say you should forget the problem you want to face in your life.
Them just a watch and a chat me. I have a feeling that someone is watching me. Yeah. Everywhere I go, they would like to see. I have a feeling that someone is watching me. I don't know when, where, or how, and who could it be? Yeah. I saw them watch me go. I saw them watch me come. Under the stars, the moon and the sun. Some are armless, while some are harmful. Some don't want to know that you are successful, but it's a far way I'm coming from. Still don't reach my destination. Don't you get the wrong impression. Until now I'm a trying man. I have a feeling that someone is watching me. Hey. Everywhere I go they would like to see. Yeah. I have a feeling that someone is watching me. I don't know when, where and how, and who could it be? Yeah. I just can't keep a low profile. No. Because their eyes are driving me wild. Yeah. No privacy wherever I go. Yeah. To and from when I come and go. That's why I say I have a feeling that someone is watching me. Everywhere I go they would like to see. I have a feeling that someone. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. You and your fancy makeup, to me it doesn't mean too much. It's no more than a fleeting attraction, and your way of seeking seeking attention. So oftentimes you make me displeased, wearing your dress way above your knees, wondering if you'll be coming back home or I will be the one to be all alone. So tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Hey, tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. I don't have no time to waste. I need more than a pretty face. I don't have no time to lose. So many men come pick and choose. I have a little shame and stop playing those dirty games. I have a little pride, yeah. So tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Oh no, no. Lovers rush, lovers rush, lovers rush, lovers rush, lovers rush. Lovers rush, lovers rush, lovers rush. You and your fancy makeup, to me it doesn't mean too much. It's no more than a fleeting attraction, and your way of seeking attention. So oftentimes you make me displeased, wearing your dress way above your knees. I give you love but you still want more. You leave me wondering what you're looking for. So tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this competition. Tell me which one, if it's me, Peter, Paul or John. The race is on, but I won't compete in this.
Spotlight on you, 10,000 people screaming in a rage for you. Bad girl, imagine all the things they are gonna say. How you crystal, you're clear and your ways are so transparent. And who they need a bad girl, but this bad girl belong to me. Give me a bad girl, come at me bad girl. I need a bad girl. Are you my bad girl? Where is my bad girl? Come at me bad girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can hear the guys all shouting now. Tip, 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 tip. You can be my bad girl today and every day, no matter what they say. I've been waiting for so long for this bad girl to sing me a happy song, like waterfall anytime she calls, knowing that my bad girl is on her own. Come at me, bad girl. Show them what you got now. Bad girl, you are my bad girl. Oh, you can be my bad girl today and every day. Oh, give me what I say. Come at me, bad girl. I need a bad girl. Are you my bad girl? I need a bad girl. Where is my bad girl? Come at me, bad girl. If you're a bad girl, if you're a bad girl, say yeah. Spotlight on you, 10,000 people screaming in a rage for you. Bad girl, imagine all the things they are gonna say. How you crystal, you clear and your ways are so transparent. And ooh, they need a bad girl. But Let them know you belong to me. Give me a bad girl. I need a bad girl. Are you my bad girl? Come get me bad girl. Come get me bad girl. Where is my bad girl? There's something wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you keep talking about you loving me. Hey, babe, your proclaim has blown my mind. Why don't we stop all the talking, girl? Why don't we stop wasting time? I've had my share of lovers, and some are saying, damn girl. But if you think you can turn me on, girl, I just wish that you would, cause you keep telling me this and telling me that. You say once I'm with you, I never go back. You say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Here I am, baby, practice what you preach. Oh, boy. Hey, it's just you and me. So many things I can do to you, in so many ways I can please. Hey, hey, babe, it's your mood, dear. Why don't we start turning down the lights and show me just what you can do? I've had my share of lovers, and some saying, damn girl. But if you think you can turn me on, girl, I just wish that you would, cause you keep telling me this and telling me that. You say once I'm with you, I never go back. You say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Here I am, baby, practice what you preach.
I'm telling you that, cause what's happened with you, you never go back. There is a lesson I'm gonna teach.
Here I am, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, listen. When time seems so hard, you gotta get down on your knees. Hey, it's time to talk to the Lord. Come on, He will fulfill all your needs. Hey, don't be worried, don't be scared. He will be there to fulfill your needs. I will not stumble and fall. I will stand tall until my work is done. Come on, I will not stumble and fall. I will stand tall until my work is done. Until my work is done. Over and done with. Come on. The road is rocky sometimes. Keep God on your mind, and everything will be fine. No matter who you are or where you come from, you're in the palm of His hands. Oh, yeah. In the palm of His hands. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Listen to me. There'll be a brighter day, oh yeah. Why won't we wait when we can pray, oh yeah. There is a light at the end for me. With naked eyes you cannot see. I surrender my life to Him, for He holds my destiny. He has done so much for me. That's why I can say to you that I will not stumble and fall. I will stand tall until
walk a mile. My heart could be crying, yet in the middle of a smile. But then I climbed the hills and saw the mountains. I hollered help 'cause I was lost, and I felt the strong wind. Heard a small voice saying the storm is over. And I can see the sunshine beyond the clouds. I feel heaven is over me. Come on and set me free. Oh, in the midst of my battle, all hope was gone. Downtown in a rush crowd, and felt all alone. Every now and then I felt like I would lose my mind. I've been racing for years and still no finish line. But then I climbed the hills and saw the mountains. I hollered help 'cause I was lost, and I felt a strong wind. Heard a small voice saying the storm is over. It's over now. And I can see the sunshine beyond the clouds. I feel heaven is over me. Come on and set me free. Oh, somehow my beginning step right in. Then fate became my friend. Now I can depend on the voices of the wind. When it says storm is over now. And I can see the sunshine beyond the
run out of money. The both of them still be money. Them just hold on, and them not let go. I tell them hold on, and now rock me so. She want go to the matinee and Polly say she want to go the party, but all I can say this love affair of my mind so contrary. Them hold on, and them not let go. I tell them hold on, and now rock me so. 2 to 1, still going strong. Call it that Sharon, she hold on and not let go, and Alex say she happy stay. And even if my pocket should run out of money, the both of them still be money. Them just hold on, and them not let go. I tell them hold on, and now rock me so. Sharon, she want go to the matinee, and Polly say she want to go the party. But all I can say, this love affair of my mind so contrary. Them hold on, and them not let go. I tell them hold on, and now rock me so. Hold on strong, little girl. Don't you know I'll forever be a lover? Hold on strong, little girl. You mean to me so much in this world. Hold on, and them not let go. I tell you them hold on.
dark-eyed girl, I wouldn't mind to walk you along. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I need your attention. Yesterday I saw you pass by, today I decide to make a try. I can see you coming from afar, I always been wondering who you are. Whether you say yes or whether you say no, show me some interest and I'll be right here tomorrow. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I wouldn't mind to walk you along. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I need your attention. You looking so lonely, do you need some company? It won't cost you nothing, so come on, say something. I'm not a liar, you I admire, and if I don't get my heart desire, one day yours gonna be on fire. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I wouldn't mind walk you along. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I need your attention. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Your eyes have me hypnotized. Yesterday I saw you pass by, today I decide to make a try. I can see you coming from afar, I always been wondering who you are. Whether you say yes or whether you say no, show me some interest and I'll be right here tomorrow. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black skin, dark-eyed girl, I wouldn't mind walk you along. Black skin, dark-eyed girl, are you going in my direction? Black baby, yeah. I stopped selling flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment, 'cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. 'Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. No, I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, you act so happy when I see you, girl. You smile and take my hand, introduce me to your latest lover. Yeah, that's when the world starts crashing in. 'Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. Yeah, I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, no, no. Well, oh baby, I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. No, I stopped dropping by without an appointment,
'cause I heard laughter from your door. Sometimes late at nights you still call me, just before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but baby, that's a promise I can't keep. 'Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. So let's leave the story at an end. 'Cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. No, I love you too much to ever start liking you. So leave the story at
I don't wanna be alone at home on a rainy night like this. I'd rather be in your arms, getting warmed by your tender kiss. So lay your head on my pillow, stay right next to me. On a night like this, my greatest wish is to have you for my company. So I say, lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go. I can eat, I can sleep till you're wrapped in my sheet. Lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go. I can eat, I can sleep till you're wrapped in my sheet. I don't wanna be alone tonight when the silence takes control. My house is filled with joy when I know you're there to hold. Plus the raindrops on my window, playing a melody so sweet. I get such a treat before I sleep, a kiss to make my night complete. So I say, lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go. I can eat, I can sleep till you're wrapped in my sheet. Lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go. I can eat, I can sleep till you're wrapped in my sheet.
baby, come back, baby, come back.
Wrapped in my sheet now. So lonely tonight, baby.
Baby, come back, baby, come back.
I don't wanna be alone at home on a rainy night like this. I'd rather be in your arms, getting warm by your tender kiss. So lay your head on my pillow, stay right next to me. On a night like this, my greatest wish is to have you for my company. So I say, lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go. I can eat, I can sleep till you're wrapped in my sheet. Lonely won't go. If you let it get a hold, it will never let go. Baby, don't go.
But I'm alive with a fool, well treated as so cool. She broke my heart and make me cry. Broke any rule and that's why. To confession, she can read the story, read it in the magazine. And all of a sudden, man, she goes on and she still wouldn't listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could Johnny indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, she don't want to hear what I have to say. Oh, well, oh, well. But when I call her up and I apologize, she said she loved me, could Johnny indeed. But I'm afraid until the rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Because I know she wouldn't listen to me. for our identity, while the rich man says we are a menace to society. But they don't know what it's like, what it's really like, what it's really like to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure, to face real ghetto pain, to face real ghetto pressure. On and on we go, our hate we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor says that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure, we face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. One day the table will turn to all men out there. Beware, for all barriers will burn. On and on we go, our hits we try to uphold. Our brothers turn to crime, killing each other for a dime. While the oppressor said that turning to politics is the only way. We face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure, we face real ghetto pain, we face real ghetto pressure. From the wise, don't try to make life on your own. Remember that Jah just by your side. For I was a soul who was lost, and my life was in dismay. For among evil forces in which I played, guns and ammunition were my chosen way of life. With God-fearing people I chose to strive. For all of the lives that are taken, they can never be replaced. But still Jah chose to remember my face. Though I never lived like he wanted, I'm still mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. God, Father, you rescued me. I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark. He was the light at the end of the road. When I was a young boy, growing up in Augustown, we ate from the same pot, we were irons all around. From Gola to Colorado Corner, from Rockers to Jungle 12 Tire, Bryce Hill to Dread Heights and River, all around. And then the football ground became a battlefield, and my life seemed so surreal. People were falling all around, but Jah helped me to stand my ground. Only Jah could have helped me to stand my ground. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Cause Father, you rescued me, and I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark, the light at the end
I should. Oh, Father, you rescued me. Oh yeah, yeah. I've lived and I've learned. I've made mistakes along the way. Now I beg for forgiveness each day as I try to pray. So take it from me, son, you can change the world today. And I am living proof that crime doesn't pay. For I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees, 'cause Father, he rescued me. And I've got the scars to show I barely made it along life's road. 'Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees, 'cause Father, you rescued me. And I've got the scars to show I barely made it along life's road. 'Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. I'm on my bending knees, I ask the Father, please. Father, you rescued me, and I've got the scars to show I barely made it along life's road. As my life got dark, he was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. I never lived the way he wanted me to. I never lived, Lord, I tell you, no, I'm practicing my religion.
When you come on this good shot, the nice of the year, you know, do it, John. Say, Jaja, and we guiding star, we no blood. Say, Jaja, and we guiding star, so far. Say, Jaja, and we guiding star. Hey, come on, me walk and talk with John, we no me on. Me walk and talk with John, we no me on. No matter who you is, me no matter who you are. But I white like star, you black like tar. Say, Jaja, and we guiding star, we no blood. Say, Jaja, and we guiding star. We have to walk and talk with your love in our heart. We walk and talk with your love in our heart. 'Cause you love money, you love what it kind of dog. 'Cause you DJ for the mind just a talk. Jaja, we guiding star, we no block. Jaja, we guiding star. Hey, come say Jaja, we guiding star. Say Jaja, we guiding star. Come say Jaja, make the moon, me say Jaja, make the sun. Say Jaja, make the moon, me say Jaja, make the sun. No matter who you is, me no matter who you are. No matter if you're near, no matter who you far. Say Jaja, we guiding star. We no block. Say Jaja, we guiding star. Come say Jaja, we guiding star. Hey, Jaja, you help all this, Jaja, help all police. Let the record shoot them, let the record release. Come here, yellow man, me say really sound sweet. But Jaja, we guiding star. We no block. Come say Jaja, we guiding star. Come say Jaja, we guiding star. Come you say Jaja, we guiding star. Oh, you know, all those so wicked, them a fight inside. All those so wicked fight inside. Me kind of the matter, me reach to the top. So wicked man walk through, see me job. They use a stick to hit me in my back. But they tell you say that Jaja a gon' love me for that. Now me say Jaja and we guiding star. Come on, me say Jaja and we guiding star. Come me say Jaja and we guiding star. Come me say on your way up, come me say on your way down. Say on your way up, come me say on your way down. He's like my Mr. Fathead and the microphone. Me weigh 125 pounds. 'Cause anything go up, Jam